May I know your name first?
My name is Gopi Gita Schumacher.
You are based in here,
Dallas,
USA?
yes.
Dallas, okay. I was passing by and I really felt concerned that only first Pakistan was hit for Hindu minorities, destruction of temple, etc. But I thought Bangladesh is going secular and lot in the news about it. And I was really surprised to see such a big gathering protesting, and the temples were desecrated. What really is behind it?
Yes.
What do you think?
So there are extremists
Oh,
in every country,
yeah.
but the extremists in Bangladesh have kind of taken over this past week, 2 weeks.
They are controlled by the government or there are
I
entire
don't
government?
think so. The government has denounced them. The government is looking for, has been actively searching for taking, denounce them and actually gathering them and placing them in jail. So
Okay.
I don't know the details of the political situation.
Since when it is happening?
This started on October 13th.
October recently?
Yes.
In the past it was okay.
In the past, about a
What
year.
do you
2 years
think
ago.
really, like India, as I know, I was in college, helped Bangladesh in separation, and later on I don't know why there was a straw in the relationship between them. But what is behind it? I don't see really any point.
So I'm not a political spokesperson,
Okay,
but I am a human rights spokesperson.
Okay, from that angle I am thinking.
From that angle, every single person, every single individual in this world is born equal.
Absolutely.
It doesn't matter if you are Muslim or you are Hindu
Yes.
or you are Christian or you are
Yes.
Jewish, whether you call God by the name Allah, Ram, Jehovah.
Yes.
It does not matter. We are all brothers and sisters.
That's very good to
And
hear.
the
really.
temples that have been desecrated in Bangladesh, those members themselves have reached out to many communities and served many communities.
Yeah.
And so we are protesting that this should not happen, that brothers and sisters, no matter what faith you are,
Yes.
no matter what race you
Yes.
are, you should always work together and live together.
I in fact fully support this idea. Let me add you that these religions are a means to something, a space, a spiritual or whatever, beyond religion.
Yes.
There is a space. They only can be means. So how we can fight it and say that is the best or that is the ultimate?
The governments have to support it.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
most beautiful thing we have in this country of America
Yes.
is we have freedom of religion.
Absolutely.
Because the government identifies equity.
Absolutely.
Equity means we are all spirit souls.
Okay.
Whether it be a flower, whether it be a plant, whether it be a Muslim brother or a
Right,
Hindu
right.
brother or a Hare Krishna brother, we are all sisters and brothers. And we must be treat each other on this equal
Absolutely.
right.
Are you thinking of moving a petition in UN in New York or a
Yes.
protest in
Yes,
New
there
York?
are protests everywhere.
Okay.
London, New York,
Oh.
Chicago, Los
Okay.
Angeles. Today is the day that the entire
Absolutely.
International Society
That's
of
very
Krishna
good.
Consciousness is protesting
That's
the
very good.
persecution of the minorities in Bangladesh, specifically the Hindus and the Hare Krishnas are being persecuted. And we would like those of you who are watching, please to share this far and wide so that we get this message out.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very
you so
much. I
much.
wish all the best, and I do pray that sanity prevails among the Bangladesh
Thank you
government.
for all the good work that you're doing.
Thanks.